Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description. That'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? Hey guys, if you ever get like super dry skin, almost to the point where maybe it's cracking and bleeding, that happens to me all the time, especially in the winter. Or maybe you get some areas where you have some calluses like on your feet where it's just really white and tough. I've got a really cool product for you to tackle that solution. So this was sent over by a company called Gloves in a Bottle, and it is their shielding lotion. It's made right here in the United States. And what's cool about this is, unlike normal lotions, this forms a barrier over your skin, so that way your body, it uses your, locks in your, basically the moisture coming from your body essentially, and kind of targets those areas, which is really, really cool. So first off, it's gonna come in this little box right here. Once you open it up, you're gonna get the little bottle, and this is what it looks like. So first off, it's I have the 8-ounce bottle here. It has a little pump tube at the top. It does have little arrows, so if you are traveling, you can lock it, so that way it doesn't make a mess in your suitcase or anything like that. And like I said, on the front here, it's an 8-ounce bottle. Depending on how much you're utilizing it or where you're putting it all, it's gonna last for 250 some applications. So works, lasts a long time, if you will. Now, as I mentioned, what is that shielding lotion? Why is this kind of working differently than just putting on a regular lotion? So how it works is it's bonding to that top layer of your skin, and then it's going to basically block out those irritants from the external coming in, or it's also gonna kind of help with that moisture stain in the lower layers of your skin, which is really cool. Now, it's gonna shed off just like your normal layers of skin. So it's gonna last somewhere between 4 to 12 hours. You can wash your hands after it. It's gonna be fine with that. It's also great for like nurses and doctors, because if you're constantly hand sanitizing or you're wearing gloves, it's gonna protect you from those irritants, which is pretty awesome. It's hypogenic free, no dyes, no fragrances or anything like that, which is important for me. But most importantly, it's not greasy. I hate products that are super, super greasy or leave like a residue or anything like that. I have no problem with that at all. It's worked really, really great. So I simply just take the amount that you want, go ahead and put it on your skin like so, and then you're just gonna rub it in until it's basically kind of absorbed and dry on your top layer, and then you're good to go, like I said, and that's it. You can immediately start washing your hands, you can go do stuff, and it's now put that protective barrier on there. And I've noticed after a couple weeks or maybe even a full week out of using this stuff, I've already started noticing a big difference, especially on calluses. So if you are in the market and you're looking to tackle that super, super dry skin, you're looking for a unique solution of a US made product here, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.